Well, here you go, folks. It's a 10-day challenge. Bought this car 10 days ago. Basically, I was on Facebook Marketplace looking for some parts for my 67 Barracuda. This Barracuda here, my 67. And like I said, I was on Facebook looking for some parts, and I actually found this car. And it was a 67 notchback. And it was actually, I picked it up for $1,500. It's pretty complete, and has the slant 6 in it, not the V8 model or anything. So figured, what the heck. So I bought it and thought, shoot, it's too good to part out. It's a pretty solid car. Actually, only rust I found is behind the front seat and floor pans. Somebody had put cardboard in, and cardboard and a rubber mat in there, so that held the moisture. But the interior was complete. Somebody had redone the seats some time ago. The dash had some same material up on the dash. I ripped that off, but doesn't look pretty inside. Needs a headliner. But been working on her. Did a quick paint job in the backyard. Paint turned out okay. Just the body work could be better. I worked 2 days on the body work, but it had a lot of dents and dings for, 50 some years old. So you can see where I filled it and didn't get it smooth. Ended up, it's a single stage paint, and it's original color of the car. So single stage, I found I can get away with painting it outside without too much bug issues. But like I say, body work, I'm not a body man, but let's see this engine bay if I can get it open. There's a slant 6. Actually, the car runs, and rebuilt the carburetor. Came with the carburetor kit, so I rebuilt that. First I had a hard time starting it, but the more I run it, the better it gets. Basically, I took it down the road, put about 10 miles on it, and starts up and runs pretty good now. So it looks like, figured it'd be a good car for the wife. Fix it up for her, and then she can go to a show, take it to a cruise in, and then I can take this one to a cruise in. We'll have matching cars. Mine was a little darker blue, so eventually get that painted. But basically, this, somebody had painted this car red before, so inside the engine bay was red, and I cleaned off best I could, trying to get it back to the original color. But it's pretty dirty. Front end, I still need to put in the bezels. I don't know, the studs on the are all broke, so I'll have to put screws in or tack weld them on or something. Figure out how to refasten the front grills. And I didn't have any headlight surround rings, so had to order a couple of those, hold headlights in. But overall, turned out okay. Just putting all the chrome trim back on it. I still need, the 67s didn't come with chrome around the windshields or the back glass, from what I understand. So I'll have to get them off of a 68 or 9, put them on. Front windshield is gonna need replacing. It's a little smoky. But actually, this door is off of 69. The one I had, it was all smashed. When I bought it was all smashed in, but they had this extra door with it. It's a 69. I had to drill out the they changed the location of the lock. Made it harder to pick, moved it inboard in later years, but 67 was an outboard. So I had to drill that and didn't have time to fill this. I'll just stick a plug in it. And this door was pretty stripped, so actually it didn't have the handrest mounting clips in there, so I'll have to add those. But I didn't know that until I put the panel on, so that's a pain. But like I said, I've just, previous painter painted everything red, didn't tape anything up. So I've been trying to scrape red off of everything. Still see red here and there. But yeah, overall, it's gonna be a good car. Needs a backup light. I only came with one. Fix that up best I could. Need to get another backup light. Those things are expensive. Wife, I made her buy flip up gas cap. Just had old cheapo screw on and off, but flip ups a lot better. Then it came with the standard like road wheels, but I had some mag wheels wife liked better, so put those crackers on. But actually, because of the stud spacing on those, I'll have to they were on my other 67, and basically the rear end is a 8 3/4, so it must be off a B body, or because it's a bigger lug pattern. Whereas A body is of course the 4-inch 5 on 4-inch, and so they only had 2 wheel adapters. So I can put the 2 on the back, and I haven't put the 2 on the front until I get the wheel adapter. And I need a battery for it. I took that out of another car. But let's see if we can start this up. It's a little cold natured, but it starts up fairly good now. Well, electric choke needs adjusting. It's not adjusted at all, so it's a little cold natured right now. But once it warms up, it idles good and runs pretty good for 6-cylinder. I was amazed how quiet it is going down the road. It's like when you're idling, it sounds like the car's not even running compared to the V8s I got. But yeah, I had some time to work on it, so I wanted to get some paint on it before it rusted all up. Primarily going to be sitting outside with all my other cars inside, so run out of garage space. But still get the 73 Roadrunner to finish painting. That's a 2-stage paint there. That's pain. And let's see, about the only thing else we need for this. Well, I haven't changed the oil on it. I need to change the oil. I need the Plymouth ladders across the front. And clean up the engine bay a little more. And got wipers on my other 67 I'll take off and put on there. Like I said, get the chrome around. I need to adjust this driver's door. You know, these hinge pins they wear, and then it drops down. So, and it's sticking out at the bottom, so somebody didn't have it adjusted very good. So I need to adjust that. But overall it's coming together. Looks a heck of a lot better than it did when we got it. I need to I'll put some pictures of on the video when I brought it home. I took a couple pictures. I think it's on the trailer, but kind of gives you an idea of what it looked like 10 days ago and what it looks like now.